back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So it is currently Wednesday night at why are you laughing? Is it funny I'm recording? Here, Lala. Can you say hi? It is 10:17 because I heard you're supposed to do this rice water hair treatment. Let it sit overnight, so I'm going to do it tonight. And then I'm going to start tomorrow, which is Thursday, my 7-day challenge. Anyway, I've been doing my research for the longest on this rice water thingy. And every video, I always have questions about like, did you like change your rice water every day, like make a new batch, or do you rinse it out your hair? And I really haven't got no answers. I'm just gonna do it myself and how I feel like it should be. Some people wash their rice off and then some people do not. But I'm just going to, I don't have a small strainer, so I'm just gonna use a bowl and then I'm just gonna probably use my hands and drain out like the excess water. I don't think you need that much. Oh shoot, never mind. I guess that was enough, more than enough. Okay, so I got my bowl filled with rice. I know that some people boil their stuff, or some just do like the overnight, leave out for like 24 hours, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this rice off. Okay, so I don't think it's nothing to it. I guess you put it in this container and fill it with water and just let it sit overnight. So I'm just gonna dump this in here. I'm going to fill it up a little bit. They said the cloudiness is like protein or whatever. So it's supposed to be cloudy. I just got it in like a Ziploc container. Hopefully I did everything right. I know that you can add like orange slices or like scented oils to it so it don't smell. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check on that tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay y'all, so I am back. It is currently the next day, which is Thursday. It is 9:11 at night. So this is my rice water. I do have my note on it. It say my hair treatment don't touch, because it's a lot of people that touch things in this house. I didn't know what exactly. Oh my lord! Seen someone use a shower cap, but I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do or just let it sit in your hair. I'm just gonna use a shower cap. I mean, what's the worst it can do? And yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and start pouring the rice water in this spray bottle. Now, once again, this smell I heard is unbearable, but we're gonna deal with it. Let me see. It don't even smell that bad. It don't smell like water. Did I do it wrong? I don't know. Maybe it smells bad if you boil it. Because it don't smell that bad. Here, have a sniff. I'm scared that's like messed up because now I expect a bad smell. This is day 1, and now I'm about to go and saturate my hair with it and then put a shower cap. So before we start this, I am going to be doing a length check. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that because one, my hair is not long, so I can't pull it down and mark it on a shirt. So hopefully I can just look back on the footage and put it side by side so you guys can kind of see a difference. So right here it comes about 4 inches right here. Wow, 4 inches, what the heck? This is probably the main piece I'm probably going to be looking at, the one right here. So I got my scarf because I hate my neck being all wet, so I'm just gonna put that on. Okay, I think that's about it. I mean, my hair is soaking wet. This is how, let me turn around. I got it all, ooh, it's in my ear. I got it all in my hair. I'm dripping. I got my shower cap. That's it for day 1 of the rice treatment. I'm about to go ahead and make a fresh batch of rice water. And yeah, so next clip will be day 2. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. I believe this is day 2. I'm already like forgetting the days. My rice water, I haven't opened it yet. I use tap water instead of bottled water as in day 1. Let's see if it got that stench. Oh, it's not that bad. I got my measuring tape. I think my hair was around 3-4 inches. I don't have the exact measurements, But we gonna see anyways. Okay, I tried to do my part, but my part just disappeared. Just don't mind that. And my hair might look a little uneven. Starting where it's at. It's right here. I might take this one piece right here. It went by my eyebrow, I remember that. It's still like by my eyebrow. You gotta measure the middle of my head. Still looks 4 inches. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and fill my bottle up with this, and then I'm gonna start spraying it. This time, I'm not going to put a shower cap on my hair. So I'm about to go ahead and let this sit for 15 minutes. That is it for day 2. And I'll see you guys back for day 3. Hey y'all, so it is day 3 of my rice water treatment. So far, my hair do not feel any different. Now I got it in my bottle. I'm about to go ahead and start spraying it in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do my length check. Right now my hair is wet because I always condition it and stuff. Wait, actually this was like, it goes to the on my eyebrow, so we'll see. Before it was kind of at the tip of my eyebrow. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like right there. One point it was kind of at like above my eyebrow, but now it's like a little like in the middle of my eyebrow. Actually, I think it might have grew. I think just a little bit. Let's do the back. It's like not a big difference, but it might be like a little bit. Remember, mind you, it was like 4 inches. So what do it say? I don't know. I gotta look back at it because I can't see the back of my hair. But the front, I feel like it grew like a little, like this much. But that's good. Hair growth is hair growth. All right, y'all. So I got my towel so I don't get wet. And I'm just gonna do the same thing I always do. And y'all know the drill. So that is it for day 3 of this rice water treatment. I might see a slight difference for day 3. That is it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Hey y'all, so it is day 4, not 8. Day 4 of this hair journey, this rice water treatment. I got what, 5, 6, 3 more days left, and I'm gonna measure my hair. So let's go. So let's see if it grows some more. With day 4, little past 3 inches, and it's still on my eyebrow. So it did grow, but I feel like it didn't grow from yesterday. It's still like the same spot. And the back, I feel like it's the same. I'm gonna look back, but my hair did grow a little bit. I will say that, like a little tiny bit. And I'm gonna saturate my hair. All right, y'all, so that basically wraps up for day 4. I'll see you guys for day 5 tomorrow. Like, oh my God, we're almost through this. Hey y'all, so I am back and it is day 5 of this rice water journey. So we're gonna go ahead and measure my hair and see what growth it have since yesterday. So we're just gonna take the same section area. And it was at the middle of my eyebrow. Look at that. Like, is this serious? Like, I'm scared I'm not even taking the same piece of hair. I'm about to go ahead and do my back one. My hair is right here. So I just looked back and I don't think my hair grew that much. Still some growth. So now I'm about to go ahead and start spraying the rice water that I have in my hair, and then we'll go from there. So I don't think I have been doing this for the past couple of days, but I'm going to measure the middle part of my hair, which was like 4 inches. So we'll see if I got any growth. Yeah, for the most part, I feel like it's still 4 inches. Okay, y'all, so that is it for day 5 of this rice water. I sprayed my entire head. Only thing for today, I had a little growth in my front, like my bane area is past my eyebrow. So that's good. That's a wrap for day 5. Almost through 2 more days, and I'll see you guys then. Hey y'all, so it is day 6 of this rice water journey, but we almost done. So I'm about to go ahead and measure my hair and see if it's any type of difference. So basically the front, I measure it. Basically, it was like in the middle of my eyebrow, past it a little, and I don't see no difference. It's still like the same from yesterday. I'm about to go ahead and measure my back. This was kind of like in the 4.5 inch. I still can't believe my hair is that. Like, I feel like I'm measuring it wrong. This is where it's at now. It might not grew, it might did. If it did, it probably was like a little inch. So now we about to go ahead and start spraying my hair with the rice water. And yeah, so let's get to it. I got my daughter's towel because I don't have any other towel. Well, this is not mine, this is actually my niece, but she don't mind if I borrow it. So that is it for day 6 of the rice water treatment. I'm going to let this sit in my hair and then I'm going to rinse it out. That is it for day 6 and I'll see you guys for day 7. Hey y'all, so it is finally the last day of my rice water treatment. It is day 7 and I am super excited to see my end results. So without further ado, let's go ahead and measure my hair. I'm gonna pull down my hair because last time was a little past my eyebrow. It is still kind of the same. So overall for this part of my hair basically did grow, but today it did not. So my hair didn't actually grow for the good past 3 days, which is weird. At first it did, but who knows. And I'm about to go ahead and take my back piece and measure it. This is my back piece. So that goes for my back too. It's still like 5 inches. My hair did not grow for like these past couple of days, but it's good that my hair did have some growth over the 7-day span. So this is basically my last day. I'm just about to go ahead and do the rice water treatment one more time since it is the 7th day. Okay, so since I've sprayed all that through, so basically end results for this video, since it is day 7, I'm no longer continuing this no more. Overall, I did see growth in my hair, which is good. I don't know if I would actually continue doing this because it's just so much to do with my hair. I'm basically kind of washing it every day, and I know sometimes that's good for other people, but for my hair in particular, it's just not good for my hair to be messing with it all the time. I gotta leave it alone sometimes. So yeah, that wraps up for my 7-day hair journey. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you guys. I'm not really sure if I even measured my hair right. Let me know if you guys tried it before or if you guys going to try it. I'd like to know some of your tips on what I should do, what I shouldn't do. I'm open to everything. So thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.